Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2010 Toyota Sequoia Limited. Ignore the fact that there's washer fluid everywhere. That's because I just figured out how to use the headlight washers, so I was playing around with them. Essentially, I'll try not to get soaked, but as long as you have the headlight on, push this button, and you get soaked. You guys okay? Oh, you'll be fine. JBL Synthesis sound system. Rear entertainment. This is obviously an auction car. It's got 180,000 miles on it. But I wanted to drive it, see what it's all about. Ooh, microfiber. With a tech mats, horn. Right. Everything about this is all about long distance. This is a store. What? Got storage everywhere in this stupid thing. Oh, there you go. Oh, double visor! And a dimming switch for the lights. I have not seen. This is a 2010 and this has all this stuff. And look at this. On the steering wheel, you have controls for the climate control. You can turn the temperature up and down without taking your hands off the wheel. That doesn't show you this thing is meant for long. Oh, sorry, I gotta push it again. Let's see. Sorry. So it's only active when the headlights are on. When they're off, it doesn't work. But without further ado, let's take this 5.7, 174,000 miles. BMW had 178. So torquey. I've never really spent a lot of time in one of these. So much torque in this thing. Gotta remember, I have to have enough gas to get back to Nashua. Gotta have enough gas. Four-wheel drive. I don't want you to do that. There you go. This thing's one owner, since new, one owner car. So somebody put almost 200,000 miles on this thing, and it doesn't really show it too much. I will say this thing is a tank. I mean, I don't think I've gotten this thing anywhere close to stuck in any of the snowbanks we have on the lot. It is a tank. All right, here we can see what this 5.7's all about. Such a good sound to it. If you put an intake and exhaust on this thing, you know how mean this thing would sound? JBL sound system. Obviously this is an older sound system. I don't know how much of it is still working to capacity, but it does sound good. So good amount of bass. I've always noticed JBL sound systems especially in Toyotas, always have a lot of bass. I mean, not like my Harman Kardon in my Challenger that has 2 subs in the back, but I'm like, wow, this is a bassy system. Put it in tow haul. See if that makes any difference here. So much torque. Overall, man, I love this Sequoia. I mean, this is just a tank on wheels. And look at how much space there is in this thing. It's just so big. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.